Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add onboarding pass to your Apple Wallet. Now, if you have an onboarding pass that you received on your application, on your email, via SMS or anything like that, you need to go to your application or email or SMS to basically go and add this to your wallet. Now, how would this look? As you can see, you can tap Add to Apple Wallet on your boarding pass, ticket, or other passes in the app if you have an app for a particular pass. And then you can also receive via email notification or whatever form of your communication you received it in. From there, follow the on-screen instructions and tap Add in the upper right corner if needed. Now, this is basically how it's going to look like, right? You can go to the plus section, you can add it this way. You can also add it through the application. Again, if you have a boarding pass or a ticket for an application, let's say we're purchasing the tickets on Skyscanner, right? We can go to Skyscanner application to add this ticket to Apple Wallet. Now, obviously, using a boarding pass in Apple Wallet is really simple. Just open your pass within the wallet app, and then you can find and open the wallet app or double press the side button on your iPhone. If you have an older iPhone with an home button, I have this one right here, so you can just press this one double time, and that's pretty much it. You will be able to scan it on the NFC or any other pass how do you call it, like pass device. But that's pretty much how you will be able to do it. If you want to remove it, you can simply remove it by going to your pass, tapping on the wallet and tapping on the pass, and then just click remove. That's pretty much it. So yeah, that's how you can add an onboarding pass to your Apple Wallet. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.